Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Having these on hand will make the process smoother. First, unplug your Thermomix TM31 to ensure safety. This is a crucial step before you start any repairs. Next, locate the screws at the back of the machine. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws carefully. Place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the panel away from the base. Be cautious, as there may be wires connected to the panel. If you're unsure about handling these connections, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can assess the situation and guide you through the next steps. Now, take a moment to clean the internal components. Using a soft cloth, wipe away any dust or debris. This not only helps in maintaining your device but also ensures optimal performance. If you need assistance, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making repairs hassle-free. Next, check the new panel for any protective film or packaging. Remove these carefully before installation. Align the new panel with the base, ensuring that all wires are properly positioned and not pinched. If you're not comfortable reassembling the device, remember, no calls, no travel, our team can handle it for you. Once everything is aligned, replace the screws you removed earlier using your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure they are tightened but not overly so, as this can damage the panel. If you have any concerns about the repair, you can always request a quote before repair. We aim to provide transparent pricing to help you make informed decisions. Finally, plug the Thermomix back in and test the new panel to ensure that everything is functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Our commitment is to ensure your Thermomix TM31 is in top condition, and our professional services are just a call away. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.